a new start. Welcome to the Spooky Club. I got a black heart, it's a new start. Welcome to the Spooky Club. Take that! Join the Spooky Club.
Okay, ghouls and goblins, welcome back to the channel. We've got a Code Orange update here coming from IKEA's website. Looks like they've released their Code Orange, and Halloween is available online on the IKEA website and also available in store. So let's get into this. First up, we have this LED table lamp, the pumpkin orange jack-o'-lantern here for $19.99. Pretty much basic, simple Halloween here. A jack-o'-lantern light that lights up a nice glowing orange. You'd be hard-pressed to go wrong with anything like this for Halloween. And for $19.99, the price is not terrible. I've never gone to IKEA for Halloween, so this is definitely news to me. Next up, we have like a paper lantern here that is a LED pendant lamp, pumpkin battery operated, outdoor or indoor orange jack-o'-lantern lamp. And again, $9.99 for this. And it looks like the closest store that most of this is in stock yet in my area is the Norfolk, Virginia store. I do have North Carolina locations. However, it tells me that some of this stuff is sporadically popping up in some stores because none of the North Carolina locations have this in stock just yet. Next up, we have the LED table decoration, pumpkin battery operated multicolor piece here inside of a little dome here. Now, I'm assuming this is probably about the size of the little domes that you would see at Dollar Tree a few years ago, but nonetheless, $9.99 for this piece right here. And it is available for delivery with a $35 order. So it looks like for delivery, you've got to spend at least $35 for this to get shipped to you, or you can easily pick it up if one of your locations has the items in stock. Next up, we have a hanging decoration ghost, kind of like a honeycomb decoration here. Now, it looks like this one is kind of left over from last year, seeing that it's on clearance for $7.99. However, it does say that it's in stock in Norfolk, Virginia. So it looks like if that's any indication, they'll be having some of this year's Halloween merchandise as well as last year's Halloween merchandise. Now, if you follow the channel, you know how much I absolutely love die cuts and tissue dancers and honeycombs and all of that stuff. So this would definitely be a pickup for me for $8. Next up, also for $8, we have the 7-inch tea light holder, and it's basically like a little spooky haunted house here. You can see the ghosts right there in the window. Just simply put in your tea light candle and it'll light up the night for the haunted house. And I would assume that the ghost would be illuminating in the window there when you put the tea light candle in. $7.99 for this also. I'm assuming, again, probably in comparison, it's probably about the size of the tea light holders for Halloween we would see at Dollar Tree each year. So sound off in the comments below if you've seen anything from IKEA yet that you would love to add to your collection. Next up, to go along with your honeycomb tissue style ghost, is the LED decorative table lamp. That's right, you get a ghost battery operated LED decorative table lamp for $12.99. This one also says it's in stock in store, so start checking your IKEAs. Again, I never thought to check IKEA for Halloween merchandise. As long as I've been collecting Halloween, which is a really, really long time, I've never once made a trip to IKEA. So I may have to add that to my Halloween hunting list for 2026. Cool piece here for $12.99. Next up, we've got the 10 with lid set of 3 pumpkin shaped containers here. You can basically stack them here, $12.99 for these pieces here. You can put all of your Halloween treats inside of here to have for yourself or to give out to trick-or-treaters on Halloween night. $12.99 for the set of 3 here, and they do come with lids. You get the black, the orange, and the white. Halloween colors here for sure. Not any Summerween colors going on here for $12.99. Next up, looks like the spooky Halloween candles are going to be returning this year. Now, these were super popular last year at stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. And it looks like this year IKEA is giving us a scented candle in glass 3-wick jelly candy ghost candle here for $9.99. $19.99. Apparently it's meant to last for around 28 hours. Super cool candle here. And sound off in the comments below if you collected a lot of these last year and if you'll add this one to your collection. Next up, another ghost here for $19.99. We have the LED hanging decoration ghost, battery operated. Now these of course are kind of like the lights that you would find at Five Below that are LED and battery operated, and they just kind of light up. $19.99 for the ghost here. I'm sure it's a super bright piece that'll definitely light up Halloween night and enhance your spooky decorating for 2026. However, if you do wish to save a little bit of money, they do sell similar items like this at Five Below during spooky season. But nonetheless, if you see it at IKEA, it is $19.99 for the ghost LED light. So here's the standout picks that I chose from IKEA. There's plenty more on the IKEA website if you'd like to go over there and check it out. And if you want to do the footwork, be sure to type in your zip code and see if any of the stores in your area have any of this in stock. Norfolk, Virginia for me is a little bit of a drive, so I may have to wait a while until I make my trip to my local IKEA. But anyway, I'll be covering everything Halloween, Summerween, and everything in between here, including retro and holiday related on Derek BlackHearts Spooky Club. So if you're new here and you like this type of content, how about slashing that subscribe button and also turning on that notification bell so you don't miss a moment of the spooky retro fun that I have here on the channel, because there's tons of Code Orange still on the way. So stay tuned for plenty more spooky hunts in store and online. And until next time, I'll see you on the dark side.
Happy Halloween from Channel 13. This is KOVR, Channel 13, Stockton, Sacramento, signing off another day of TV programming. KOVR is owned and operated by KOVR TV Incorporated. Good night from the staff and management of KOVR, Stockton, Sacramento.